empty bottle is us. Now it's covered in dust, and the way it was is honky-tonk history. You can't even catch a buzz when you kiss me. It kills me 'cause you used to think I could walk on whiskey. Hey guys, thanks for tuning in. This is Blaze Guitar Lessons. This is Walk on Whiskey by Old Dominion. Please hit like and subscribe, and hit me with your requests, and I'll get to them as soon as I can. The ones that are more intricate usually take a little bit longer, so I apologize for the wait on some of them. But please hit like and subscribe, and let's get into it. So this song is in standard tuning with the capo on the 1st fret, okay? You're just going to use 4 chords in this song, but they're not always in the same order. So you're going to use F. You're also going to use G, A minor, and C. Okay, so the way that the song starts is just with F, G, A minor. F, G, A minor. I'm going to show you how to play the whole thing. I'll show you where the lyrics, where the chords go, the chord progression, how you do the strumming pattern and everything. So you do you do F, G, A minor, and you do that twice, and then you go into the verse. So twice with no lyrics. So down, down, up, down, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, down, up, down, down, up, down, up. Okay, so that's how you do the intro and the verses. So down, down, up, down, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, down, up, down, down, up, down, up. So then when you go to the verse, you're gonna keep doing that, but you're just gonna do it a little bit softer. Look at you. Sorry, so you do you. You're gonna do on the you is where you play F. Look at you. Looking is G. Looking at me, and me is A minor. Me. I can't help. So help is where you can do F. Help but notice is G. Notice what you don't see. So I can't help but notice what you don't. You don't is A minor. You don't see no more. More is F. More. That's okay. So you do that's is G. That's okay. Okay, and then you're gonna do sometimes is F, sometimes is swinging doors. Swinging doors is G, doors don't swing your way. All right, swing is A minor, swing your way. Okay, so another way to do that, if you want, you could just do single strum. So you could do, look at you, looking at me. I can't help but notice what you don't see no more. That's okay. Sometimes the swinging doors don't swing your way. Okay, and so you could do it that way too, if that helps you kind of figure out where you do the chord placement and the timing. And if it's just easier to play and sing that way, so you can just do single strums as well. All right, so then when you go to the chorus is a little bit different. It starts with F, G, C, A minor, okay? And now for the chorus, you're gonna be doing that. So you're doing down, down, up, down, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, down, up, down, down, up. So you just go quickly from, it's like you kind of a beat early. You go from C to A minor. Down, down, up, down, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, down, up, down, down, up, down, up. All right. So you're gonna do U is F. You used to think is G. Think I could walk on whiskey. See how you do that a little bit, like a count faster on that one, whiskey. So F, G, C, A minor, F, G, C, A minor, just like that. So you're gonna do F. You used to G, I could see on A minor. F, G, C, A minor. F, G, C, A minor. F, G, C, A minor. Okay, so I'll walk you through that real quick. So you do F. You used to, F is on U. You used to think is G. Think I could walk is C. Walk on whiskey. whiskey. Whiskey is A minor. Whiskey. Then you go to F right after whiskey. I used to think is G. Think you hung the neon. Neon is C. Neon moon. And then like at the very end of moon, you're gonna do A minor. Moon. And then you're gonna go to F. They used to call. So call is G. Call is the life. Life is C. Life of the party. Alright, and after party you do F. So A minor is party, and then you go right afterwards you do F. But now the parties. So parties is G. Party's over. Over way too soon. So over way is where you do C. Way too soon. And then soon is A minor. And then when you do the rest of it, you're actually just doing F, G, A minor, just like you did the intro and the verses. That empty bottle, bottle is F, bottle is us is G, us. Now it's covered, so covered is A minor, covered in dust, and the way is F, way it was is honky, honky is G, honky tonk history. So when you do history, you're gonna do A minor, but you're gonna do down, down, up, down, up. You can't even catch a buzz. When you kiss me, it kills me, cuz. So kiss me is A minor, kiss me, it kills me, cuz. And then you do F, G, A minor. Because you used to think I could walk on the whiskey. F, G, A minor. And then you're gonna go, so you do that extra F, G, A minor, and then you go right into the second verse. Second verse is the same as the first one, second chorus is the same, and then the instrumental solo part, you're just gonna do the chorus part. So you're just gonna do F, G, C, A minor, F, G, C, A minor. And you're gonna do that F, G, C minor, F, G, C, A minor 4 times with no lyrics, and then go right into the chorus again. And then you can just end the song on an A minor. Okay? So that's how you play the whole song. Let me know if you guys have any questions. Thanks for watching. See you next time.